Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today we will discuss English Reader, chapter number 11. And the name of the chapter is Why Must We Wear Seat Belt? Students, where we wear seat belt? Whenever we are riding in a car or traveling by aeroplane, we must wear seat belt, isn't it? They protect us from the jerks and keep us safe. It is important for everyone in the car to wear their seat belt all the time. So, in this chapter, we will come to know from a safety expert why must we wear seat belt. In this chapter, the host is asking some question to the safety expert. So, let's read the chapter. Host. Some people think they don't need to buckle up when they are riding around town. We are here with a safety expert who will explain why wearing seat belts helps to save lives. Mr. Expert, why should we wear a seat belt? Students, the host here saying that some people think they don't need to wear seat belt when they are riding around a town. So he is asking to Mr. Expert, why should we wear a seat belt? Safety expert, when a car stops suddenly, your body jerks forward. If the car stops fast enough, your body might fly off the seat. You may not stop until you hit the dashboard or windshield. You could even be thrown out from the car. Seat belts hold you in your seat. They also keep you inside the car, which is the safest place to be. Students, here the safety expert is answering that whenever you are riding in a car and if the car stops suddenly, your body gets jerks, isn't it? And if the car is moving faster and suddenly the driver give the brakes, then our body may fly off from the seat and we may also get hurt. We may get hit to the dashboard or to the windshield. Dashboard means the front panel of a car or the front glass of a car. Okay? And windshield is the window. So, if the driver gives the brake suddenly, then we may get hit to the dashboard and we may get hurt. And it also may happen that we could even be thrown out from the car. That's why we must wear a seat belt. Seat belts hold our body in our seat. It also keeps us inside the car. And the seat belt keep us safe. Again, the host is asking one more question. Host, how do seat belts work? Safety expert. Most seat belts have two parts. The shoulder belt crosses over your collarbone. It keeps your upper body in place. The lap belt passes over your hip bones. It holds your lower body against the seat. You should wear both parts to be safe. So students, the safety expert is answering that the seat belts are having two parts. One is the shoulder belt and the other one is the lap belt. The shoulder belt is crosses over our collarbone and it holds our upper body. Okay? And the lap belt passes over our hip bones, means it keeps it holds our lower body against the seat. Okay? And we should wear both the parts of the belt to be safe. host. Why? What are child safety seats? The host is again asking about the child safety seats. Safety expert. Seat belts don't fit young children and babies. Shoulder belts don't properly cross their collarbones. Lap belts may not hold them in place. Child safety seats are made just for babies and young children. So safety expert is answering that these car seat belts don't fit the small children and babies. Some special safety seats are made just for babies and young children. And for keeping the young children safe in our car, we must have those child safety seats. So is it clear, students? It is very important to wear the seat belt because they protect us from the jerks and keep us safe. So is it clear, students? Thank you.